If you're a man over 40 and you've been feeling more tired, less motivated, noticing stubborn belly fat, or struggling to build muscle, you might be dealing with something many men face but few talk about openly: declining testosterone. It's easy to think that's just aging, but in reality, a lot of those changes are linked to lifestyle choices, and they can be improved. Today, we're diving into science-backed strategies that can help you naturally boost testosterone after 40, safely, effectively, and without relying on risky shortcuts. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also share a sample daily routine designed for men over 40 to maintain high testosterone and peak vitality. Chapter 1. Understanding testosterone, your master hormone. Testosterone is often thought of as just the muscle or libido hormone, but it's far more powerful than that. It influences energy production at the cellular level, mood stability and mental clarity, fat metabolism, helping prevent weight gain, bone density, reducing risk of fractures, cardiovascular health, influencing cholesterol and blood vessel function. Why levels drop after 40? On average, men lose about 1% of testosterone per year after age 30. But lifestyle factors can make this drop faster. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which blocks testosterone production. Sedentary living reduces the hormonal stimulus your body needs to keep levels high. Poor diet means fewer building blocks for hormone synthesis. Sleep deprivation disrupts the nightly testosterone production cycle. Key takeaway: testosterone decline isn't always inevitable. With the right approach, you can slow it and sometimes reverse it. Chapter 2. Nutrition, feeding your hormones. Your body can't make testosterone out of nothing. It needs nutritional building blocks. Essential nutrients for testosterone production. Zinc, crucial for sperm quality and testosterone synthesis. Found in oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas. Magnesium, boosts free testosterone by reducing SHBG, sex hormone binding globulin. Found in spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, but actually acts like a hormone. Low levels are strongly linked to low testosterone. Healthy fats. Testosterone is made from cholesterol. Sources like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish help maintain production. Practical meal tips. Start the day with eggs and avocado instead of sugary cereals. Include fatty fish like salmon twice a week. Snack on almonds or pumpkin seeds instead of chips. Mythbuster. Many men still believe low-fat diets are best for health, but extremely low-fat diets can actually lower testosterone. Aim for balanced macros, not fat elimination. Chapter 3. Resistance training, the testosterone trigger. When you lift weights, you're sending your body a clear message. We need more muscle, strength, and resilience. Your body responds by increasing anabolic hormones, including testosterone. Best training principles for men over 40. Focus on compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, bench presses, pull-ups. Train 3 to 4 times per week for 45 to 60 minutes. Prioritize form and recovery over ego lifting. Include progressive overload, gradually increasing weights to keep stimulating growth. HIIT bonus, short bursts of intense cardio like sprints or kettlebell swings 1 to 2 times per week can amplify hormonal benefits. Mythbuster, endless cardio doesn't boost testosterone. In fact, excessive endurance training without recovery can lower it. Chapter 4. Sleep, your nightly testosterone factory. Up to 70% of daily testosterone production happens during deep sleep. When you cut sleep short, your body produces less testosterone the next day, even if diet and exercise are on point. Sleep boosting strategies. Go to bed at the same time every night. Keep your bedroom cool, 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, dark and quiet. Avoid screens at least 60 minutes before sleep. Stop caffeine after lunch. Pro tip: even 1 week of sleeping only 5 hours a night can drop testosterone by 10 to 15%. Chapter 5: Stress and cortisol, testosterone's opposite. When stress rises, so does cortisol. High cortisol tells your body, we're in danger, survival first, reproduction later. Testosterone production takes a back seat. Daily stress management habits. Morning deep breathing, 5 slow breaths before you start your day. Nature walks, 20 to 30 minutes outside lowers cortisol. Meditation or prayer, 10 minutes daily improves hormonal balance. Mythbuster: stress isn't always bad. Short-term stress can boost performance. The problem is chronic, unrelenting stress without recovery. Chapter 6: Lose belly fat, gain testosterone. Excess belly fat is more than just a cosmetic issue. Fat tissue contains an enzyme called aromatase, which converts testosterone into estrogen. This means more fat, less testosterone, more fat gain. A vicious cycle. Breaking the cycle: strength training 3 to 4 days a week, reduce added sugars and refined carbs, increase protein intake to preserve muscle. Losing just 5 to 10% of body weight in overweight men can significantly raise testosterone. Chapter 7: Cut alcohol and avoid endocrine disruptors. Alcohol, in high amounts, damages testicular cells and reduces testosterone. Even moderate drinking can lower levels over time. Endocrine disruptors, chemicals in plastics, pesticides, and certain personal care products mimic estrogen and interfere with hormone production. Action steps: limit alcohol to 1 to 2 drinks max, a few times per week. Avoid microwaving food in plastic containers. Use glass or stainless steel bottles. Choose unscented or natural grooming products. Chapter 8: Supplements. Possible support tools. Lifestyle comes first, but certain evidence-based supplements may help under medical guidance. Options with research support. Ashwagandha may reduce stress and slightly raise testosterone. Fenugreek, linked to improved libido and modest testosterone increases. Creatine supports muscle growth, indirectly aiding testosterone balance. Vitamin D, essential if deficient, often a game changer for men with low levels. Always test blood levels first. Supplementation without data can be ineffective or harmful. Chapter 9: Track, adjust, improve. You can't improve what you don't measure. Key metrics to track: total and free testosterone, morning blood test; waist circumference, strength levels, mood and mental focus, energy ratings. Retest hormones every 6 to 12 months after lifestyle changes. Chapter 10: A sample testosterone boosting day after 40. Here's an example of how these strategies can fit into a realistic day. 6:30 a.m., wake up, 5 minutes of deep breathing, drink water with lemon. 7 a.m. to 20-minute morning walk outside for sunlight and vitamin D. 8 a.m., breakfast, 3 eggs, avocado, spinach sautéed in olive oil. 12:30 p.m., lunch, grilled salmon, quinoa, steamed broccoli. 3 p.m. to 10-minute meditation break. 5:30 p.m., strength training, compound lifts. 7 p.m., dinner, grass-fed steak, roasted sweet potato, asparagus. 9 p.m., no screens, read or relax. 10 p.m., lights out for deep, restorative sleep. Final thoughts. Boosting testosterone after 40 isn't about becoming 20 again. It's about keeping your body strong, mind sharp, and confidence high for decades to come. With the right nutrition, training, sleep, stress management, and healthy lifestyle choices, you can protect and even improve your testosterone levels naturally. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Next Level Vitality, and share it with a friend who needs this message.